Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to do part 2 of the crafty Christmas things that I got for Christmas this year. And this is all from the gift cards that my son gave me for Christmas this year. So I'm going to go ahead and show everything that I got. So the first thing that I got from Michael's, and that is these Karen cupcakes, and I will take one out. I ordered online at Michael's, so I had to get 3, but this is called Sour Grapes. Beautiful colors. Rich greens, blue, purples. So it is called Sour Grapes. Let me see if I can find it. It's right here, Sour Grapes. Very pretty. So I got 3 of these. And you're probably going to hear a little bit of rustling going on. And then I got 3 of this Karen cupcakes. Isn't that pretty? And this is called Candy Buttons, with pinks and purples and kind of a sea foamy green, yellow, purples. Very, very pretty. Candy buttons. So I got 3 of those, and all of these were clearance. I don't know if they're getting rid of them, this color combinations, but they were $2.37 each, and I thought that was really good, so I went ahead and got them. And the last one that I really, really like is called Nougat, and it's grays and golds and dark blues, but really like this. These colors right here are good colors for men. When I seen that, I don't have a lot of colors that would be for men, but I seen this, and first thing I thought about. So, and these are 3-ounce cakes. So, got this, and this one is Nougat. So I got those, and I'm going to have to scoot out to get my stuff. And then from Walmart, I just got a Red Heart Super Saver in black, just black. I needed some, so I got some in black. So I got that. Bring it up here, be better. And then I got me some precision scissors Never can have enough scissors with everything that I do. I do scrapbooking, cross stitch, and crochet, so got me a pair of scissors. I also got me some liquid glue. I got me the Tombow Mono liquid glue aqua. Got that for my scrapbooking. I also got some AdTech Crafters tape. I got a 4-pack. I also got washi. It's regular $5 and I got it for, I think, $1.19 clearance. It's Christmas, but there's 6 tape, really pretty colors. And I got me, you know how I have to do my mini kits in between my huge kits? Well, I have a lot of large kits and very little minis, so I had to get me some mini kits. So I got me a fox. Very cute. I got me a Dimensions Learn a Craft. I got a cupcake. And I got a Dimensions Learn a Craft dolphin. And I got from Recollections, I got stickers. Oh, glare. Trying to get where the glare isn't bad. Stickers, and it's just different kind of stickers. So I got stickers. And I also got, which is non-crafty, but the box is in here, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. I got a seed corral for my birds. My birds make the biggest mess with their seeds. So I got one of these. My brother works at a pet store. He owns a pet store. So I got with him and I said, what can I use to help eliminate a lot of the bird seed and hulls that go on the floor? He suggested this to me. And so far, it has worked like a dream. So I would encourage anyone with birds that you have seed all over the floor, it will help. It will definitely help with maintenance. So yeah, I got one of these. Okay, still going to continue here. Let me get this stuff kind of put back in the box. Out of the side again. Okay. And then I got a paper pad. This is Recollections. It's the color block paper pad. Let me see if I can do this. And it just has a lot of the crimson colors in it. Let me see if I can get down further here. So I got 12 by 12 of those. And the last thing that I want to show is I got 2 of these Protect and Stores. They're 12 by 12 plastic. They do have a lid. Let me get it open for you. If I can get it open. Yeah, there we go. So there's the lid. Lid is attached. So that's the side view. Inside and the lid. I got 2 of these. They were $3.99 each at Michael's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my scrapbooking papers and any of that kind of stuff, tape and all of that in one. And I'm going to use the other one for my pages when I get them done. Put my scrapbook in and my pages in to protect them until I get a full album. I am working on a crafting corner in the corner of my dining room. So I'm trying to get everything organized because I'd like to start recording over in that corner. So I'm hoping that this will help. And then I was thinking this would be really good to put fabric in for cross stitch. It's 12 by 12. It's rather thick. You could get a lot of fabric in there. So I might consider getting a couple of more and putting fabric in it. So just kind of thought about that. So anyway, that is all of my Crafty Christmas gifts that I got. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think about these plastic bins, or these little plastic store containers. I think, like I said, I think they'd be really good for cross-stitch fabric because they are 12 by 12. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about them. So anyway, everybody have a great week, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.